ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. You can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you do? Can you start?
Okay. स्वर्णकारः स्वर्णेन ఆభూషణాన్ని రచయతి. స్వర్ణకారుడు బంగారం చేత ఆభరణాలను తయారు చేస్తున్నాడు.
Next, in English.
The goldsmith is making ornaments with gold.
Next.
लोहकारः लोहेन पात्राणि रचयति. The blacksmith makes utensils with iron.
Next.
चर्मकारः चर्मणा पादत्राणं करोति. चर्मकारः.
Where is karoti? At the end. You have to read everything.
चर्मकारः चर्मणा पादत्राणां कुम्भकारः घटं पादत्राणं कुम्भकारः घटं मालाकारः मालां चित्रकारः चित्रं महत्तरः सम्मार्जन्या स्वच्छतां तन्तुवायः वस्त्रं शिल्पी खट्वां रजकः वस्त्राणां स्वच्छतां च करोति. चर्मकारः the cobbler with leather makes footwear. The potter with the mud potter makes pots. The florist makes the garlands. Chitrakar the painter makes the painting.
You can say instead of making, drawing.
Karoti, if I take Karoti, Chitrakara. The painter paints pictures. Mahattaraha, the sanitation worker Sammarjanya with the broom cleans the cleans the sanitation worker with the broom makes cleans. Tantuvayaha, the weaver weaves the cloth. Shilpi, the sculpture Cot mane?
Cot, like a bed. Cot.
Cutworm. Acha, acha. Cot is cot only. Acha. The
Cot.
sculpture makes
Heart.
cot.
It is heart. It's like
Heart
how you
makes-
sit on it, right? That one.
The sculpture makes the. He creates some.
We can try architect instead of sculpture because he's making the bed out of wood or something. So we can try. Maybe Shilpi can be architect.
Any professional who can create. Yeah.
No, the other meaning can also be it's a sculptor, as in wood, you do those carving, right? So carver is also
Yeah.
another way to look at it.
The carver carves the cot. The washerman cleans the cloth, and the washerman cleans the cloth.
Hmm.
చర్మకారుడు చర్మముతో పాదరక్షకులను, కుంభకారుడు ఘటమును,
పాదరక్షకులను
తయారు చేస్తున్నాడు. లాస్ట్ లో పెట్టాలి కదమ్మా.
రక్షకుడు అంటే
చర్మకారుడు చర్మముతో పాదరక్షకులను తయారు చేస్తున్నాడు అని లాస్ట్ లో కదమ్మా చెప్పాలి.
పాదరక్షాలను.
పాదరక్షాలను.
రక్షకులు అంటే మనుషులు అనేసుకున్నారా? ఓకే, సరే అమ్మా. చర్మకారుడు చర్మముతో పాదరక్షలను, కుంభకారుడు కుమ్మరి కుండను, పూలవాడు మాలలను, చిత్రకారుడు చిత్రమును,
మాలలను విచ్ విభక్తి?
చిత్రకారుడు మాలలను,
చిత్రకారుడు మాలకారుడు
మాలలను ద్వితీయ విభక్తి.
మాలను ఏకవచనం.
మాలాం. ఓకే, మాలాన్ కాదు కదా. మాలాం మాలకారుడు మాలను, చిత్రకారుడు చిత్రమును, మరి ఈయనేమంటారు మరి? తోటివాడు తోటివాడు చీపురితో శుభ్రమును, సాలివాడు వస్త్రమును, శిల్పకారుడు మంచమును, రజకుడు వస్త్రములను రజకుడు వస్త్రములను శుభ్రము చేయుచున్నాడు.
నెక్స్ట్
చేయుచున్నారు అంటే అప్పుడు చేయుచున్నారు, అందరికీ అయినప్పుడు, లేనప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఒక్కొక్కరికి చేయుచున్నాడు అని వస్తుందమ్మా.
నెక్స్ట్
నరః ధర్మేణ యశః ఆప్నోతి ఆప్నోతు ఆప్నోత్ ఆప్నుయాత్ ఆప్యస్యతి వా. Man attains ఆప్స్యతి వా. So narah dharmena, man attains prosperity by dharma. He has to attain prosperity by and may he attain the prosperity. Has will attain prosperity, has attained prosperity.
Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosperity. Will attain prosper Will is for what? Which shabda?
Will be apnuyat.
Apnotu is lat lakara. Apnotu is lot.
Apnotu is lot. Apnet is
Apnot,
alang
apnot is lung.
lang lakara. Apnuyat will be
Vidhiling. Vidhiling.
okay.
Apsyati is lrt.
Good.
So question Poonaji, in aap dhatu, right? It is aap, apati. There's no aap, no is missing. When I looked
No,
at
it is
Ashtadhyayi,
apl dhatu.
I
There
looked for
could be
aap.
many dhatus.
I looked for aap. But in the word bank, they said aap, right?
They give only the parishkrita dhatu. Aap is there, na? Apnoti. Right?
Okay. I was looking at aap and it didn't have no there.
You're supposed to get up. Even if you type up, also you should get this one.
Somehow my
Both
thing
are-
doesn't show.
You see, both are there. Up with up dhatu, you might have seen lambhane. This is vyaptav. Apati, apayati. This is churadigana. This is swadigana, vyapnoti. Okay. Next.
प्राज्ञः सत्येन सुखं प्राप्नोति జ్ఞాని సత్యంతో సుఖంను పొందుతున్నాడు.
Yes, next.
So I will convert that to English. A wise person attains Sukham with Satyam.
Next. I think you all are comfortable with translations, right? Next.
छात्रः कार्यं समाप्नोति फलं च समाप्नोति. छात्रः, the student finishes the work and gets the result.
Yes. Next.
Ishwarah Trilokam Vyapnoti. The Lord pervades 3 worlds.
Trilokam. What is the Vigraha Vakyam?
Trayanam Lokanam Samaharah Trilokam.
Swarnakaraha. What is the Vigraha Vakya?
would it be Swarnena Karoti?
No. Okay, Kumbhakaraka first you do.
That would be Kumbham Karoti.
Same here also.
No, I was thinking Swarnam. Swarnam, okay. We are taking Swarnam as Swarna Abhushanam then?
Huh, yes. Lauhakaraha is also same. Charmakaraha is also same. Malakaraha. Malam karoti. Next.
Can I go?
Yes.
सुनार सोने से सुंदर और बहुमूल्य आभूषण बनाता है। स्वर्णकारः स्वर्णेन सुंदरम बहुमूल्यम आभूषणं करोति।
Next.
लौहकारः लौहं ताडयति।
Next.
चमार चमड़े से जूता बनाता है। चर्मकारः so with so charmam or charmena.
Which Pratipadika is what?
Charma, I thought.
Charma is the Pratipadika.
So charmam.
Nakaranta Shabda.
Charman, okay.
What is the Tritiya?
Charmana.
Yes.
Okay. Charmakaraha, charmana.
Na is which na?
The na. Because there's a ra. Okay.
Yes.
Charmakaraha, charmana, padatranam karoti.
Next.
कुम्हार चाक पर मिट्टी से गड्ढा बनाता है। कुम्भकारः चक्रे मृत्तिकया घटं रचयति।
Chakre. What is the Pratipadika and what is the Vibhakti?
I think चक्र पर चक्रे चक्र प्रातिपदिका सप्तमी चक्रे I think.
ఏం రావాలి అక్కడ తెలుగు వాక్యం ఏంటి? కుమ్మరివాడు చక్రం సహాయంతో మట్టితో కుండను తయారు చేస్తున్నాడు. చక్రం సహాయం
చక్రేణ పర్ ఉంది కదా అని మే పర్ సప్తమి అని. చక్రం యందు
is that Saptami?
Yeah, par is
par
Saptami. Yeah, par is Saptami.
Then in Chakra how
Why
With
no?
chakra?
It is not in, it is on.
Yeah.
Ah,
చక్రం యందు అని అనుకోవచ్చు.
Uh-huh.
like on you put the
Because
wheel below and then you put mud on top and then you rotate the wheel, right? So that way I think it is.
Okay.
in adhikarana meaning.
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
So
Next.
it will be chakre only, Purnagi?
Huh.
Okay.
Next.
माली फूलों से माला बनाता है. मालकारः पुष्पैः मालां करोति.
Next. What is the first word? One minute. What is the first word?
मालकारः.
Malakarah.
Yes,
Mala. Dirgha.
मालाकारः. मालाकारः पुष्पैः मालां करोति.
Next.
कर्णधार नौका को नदी के पार ले जाता है. कर्णधारः नौकां नद्याः पारं नयति. नद्याः पारं नद्याः पारं नदी पारं नयति.
Nadyam.
Purnaji, for this one, is it okay to write Karnadharaha Naukaya Nadim Tarati? Or I should change?
What is the meaning in English? Karmadhara nauka ko nadi ke par le jata hai. He is taking the boat into water, right?
Across the water.
Yeah, across the water.
Across the water. Like he's taking the boat
To the other side of the
at
water.
the other side of the river or waterway.
Okay. Navika. Karnadharaha. What did you say?
Naukaya Nadim Tarati.
Should be fifth case, right? Like
From? How from?
There is
from
a
one
word,
side.
Oh,
there is a word they have given, I think in previous chapter or in this chapter, from here to there.
okay. What is that word?
Is it the one which was from child to old age, that one?
Yes, yes. What is the word they have given for that?
That is Bala Vriddho, right? Bala Vriddho. Not, I don't think that would be.
So I don't think nauka is in Tritiya here, right? Because we are taking the nauka across. So what Sirisha is
Nauka is Prathama.
Okay,
Yeah.
so then Karnadhara.
Now calm is what I said.
So now calm. Then what was it that you
I
said?
said
Sirisha?
Nadya
Okay,
Param.
yeah, okay.
Is Samastapada possible here?
Yeah, Nadya Param we can probably fix it.
Nadyaha Param.
Yeah. So that can be Nadi Param something.
Then Nadi is the Pratipadika.
So we can say Nadi Param, right?
Yes. That we can use. What is the final Vakya?
कर्णधारः नौकां नदीपारं नयति.
Next. Next one.
चित्रकारः एकस्याः नार्याः सुन्दरं चित्रं रचयति.
Next.
तेली तिलों से तेल निकाला रहा है. तैलिकः तैलेन ननच
तिलैः.
तिलैः तिलैः तैलः
तैलम.
तैलम्. ओके. तैलं निष्कासयति.
Sunoti, Sunoti we learned about extraction.
Sunoti also. Nishkashayati is also same meaning. Tilaihi means nuvulato. Tailam means nunenu.
Okay.
Next.
Purnaji, for tilaihi, tilebhyah is not correct. From
Tela must be pullinga. Pullinga tritiya bahuvachanam.
okay. So it cannot be Panchami Bahuvachanam then.
And not Panchami bahuvachanam. With tila.
Okay.
Oh, you are taking from tila.
From
right?
Tila.
Yeah, from Tila. Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, if you take Panchami, then it is tilebhyah.
That's okay.
Yes, yes.
Tilat. Or okay.
Tailikaha. It is. Should I do the next one?
Yes, yes.
धोबी वस्त्रों को धोता है. रजकः वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयति.
Next.
जुलाहा वस्त्रों को बुनता है. तंतुवायः वस्त्राणि वयति.
Next.
भारवाहक भार को ढोता है. भारवाहः भारं वहति.
Next.
महादेव काले सांप को धारण करता है. महादेवः कृष्णसर्पं धारयति.
What is the samasa for Krishna Sarpam?
Krishnaha sarp. Sorry, is it okay if I answer?
Yes, yes.
Krishnaha sarpaha becomes Krishna sarpaha and then tam Krishna sarpam.
Karmadharaya. Right?
Yes, it is karmadhare.
Maheshwaraha.
महान् च असौ देवः.
Hmm.
Mahadevah.
Hmm. Oh, it's the Mahadeva. Okay, yes. Next.
Oh, you had asked Maheshwara. Sorry.
In this book, Maheshwara is there, so that's okay. Next.
तालाब में नील कमल रिब रिब
Because it's-
रिबल रहे हैं.
खिला
Oh, sorry.
नील कमल खिल रहे हैं.
खिल रहे हैं. तालाब बे अनच्छा. तालाब.
And talab is Sanskrit also talab.
No, no, no. In Sanskrit, it won't be tala.
Is-
Can we say
Sarovare or Sarasi.
Isn't
Sarovare.
Tadaga, am I wrong about that?
Tadaga. Kupa Tadaga. Yes, Tadaga is also a river.
तड़ागे.
Kupa means well, Tadaga means river.
Talab is not river, it is pond.
Oh, Talab means pond. Okay. Tadaga? Kupa Tadaga.
Tadaga can be pond. Yeah, it can be pond. Tadaga is correct.
I thought that's what it was.
Okay. Tadaga you can use.
तडागे नीलकमलं विकसति.
Bahuvachan.
नीलकमलानि विकसन्ति.
Next.
संसार में सुपुरुष न्यून और कुपुरुष अधिक है. संसारे सुपुरुषाः न्यूनम.
Use the Loka Shabda. For Loka Shabda, they use Samsara in Hindi.
So लोक सप्तमी is लोके.
Yes.
लोके सुपुरुषाः न्यूनम अपि कुपुरुषाः अधिकम अस्ति.
Asti or
स्तः.
Santi. Bahuvachanam.
Okay, santi.
Supurushaha. What is the Vigrahavakya?
सुन्दरं पुरुषं. सुन्दरः
पुरुषः.
So it is Sundaram or Sundaraha?
सुन्दरः पुरुषः सुपुरुषः.
Te Supurushaha. If we want to use first time itself Bahuvachanam, then Sundaraha Purushaha Supurushaha. Next.
One question.
Yes.
The Supurushaha, Nyunaha or Nyunam?
I said Nyunam.
And that's what, whether it should be Nyunaha or it should be
Nyunam.
Okay.
I think it is Napumsakalinga.
Sundara. Sorry.
Let me check Nyunam.
Because
Nyunam is there in all three lingas.
so
So we can use in Pullinga.
so even for Satpurushaः न्यूनाः कुपुरुषाः च अधिकाः. So both can be in bahuvachanam like that, or should I change it to Dvitiya?
Yes, Bahuvachanam.
Okay.
So the question I had, Purnaji, was so Supurushaha, it doesn't actually mean Sundar, right? So should we say Shushilaha or something like that? Even though I know the Vigraha is Sundara.
So it is based on intention. If they are saying, if they are saying the attitude wise, then we can use instead of Sundara. What is the word you used?
I was thinking Sushilaha or
Sushilaha. Again, we have to make another.
that's also a samasa.
Sheelam asya asti. That
Right.
samasa we have to make.
So Samyak, otherwise Samyak Purushaha, Supurushaha.
Then Su won't come.
Right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll think about it and
Yeah.
find out if there are any words.
Also,
Okay.
another question. Sundaraha is avyaya pada, so it you say purushaha, but you won't say sundaraha. You'll say sundaraha purushaha. Is that right?
No, I said Sundaraha Purushaha Supurushaha. If we want to use Sundar in Bahuvachan, then both will be in Bahuvachan. Sundaraha Purushaha Supurushaha.
Okay. Thank you.
But as I mentioned in yesterday, in each samasa, this vachana and vibhaktis are used in different way. So there are different rules are there, and in some specific rules also there. Here you have to use this only like that. So we will keep like ekavachana only. Then we will add whatever is there, like we have added yesterday like that. Okay, continue. Next.
नारी के मुखकमल को देखो नार्याः मुखकमलं पश्य
Next.
रमेशः धनम् आप्नोति.
Next.
Aham aham yasham apnumaha, would it be?
Apnomi.
Apnomi.
Next.
तू पुस्तक पाता है. त्वं पुस्तकं प्राप्नोसि.
Next. These all are easy.
सः विद्याम् आप्नोतु.
Next.
I think Uma Mohoday was.
Right. मैं धन पाऊं. अहम धनम आपनोमि. Or what is the
Apnovani.
Apnuvani.
Yes. Next.
Tu sukh pa. So tvam sukham apnutat.
Apnuhi.
Apnuhi. It's okay. It gives both in the table. That's why.
Madhyam Purusha. Next.
Saha shantim prapsyasti.
Yes. Next.
मैं ज्ञान पाऊंगा, अहम ज्ञानम प्राप्स्यामि.
Prapnovani.
पाऊंगा फ्यूचर.
Is it future or is it like vidhiling?
It's lrit laka.
Lut. Okay. Next.
Nishpaya, Tvam, Yasham. This is past tense, so apsyasi.
Past tense, how apsyasi will come?
Rut lakara, right?
Lut is for future tense.
Oh, sorry.
Lang.
Lang lakara.
Hmm.
Lakara. Apno who is given.
Yes. Next. We can finish and
Aham sukham aptavam.
Apnavam.
Apnavam.
Next.
मैं कार्य को समाप्त करता हूँ. अहम कार्यम समाप्तम sorry.
Samapnavam.
Samapnavam. Same. So it will be okay.
Next.
ईश्वर त्रिलोक त्रिभुवन और चतुर्युगों में व्याप्त है. ईश्वरः त्रिलोके त्रिभुवने चतुर्युगे च व्याप्नोति.
Can we use both Saptami and Dvitiya?
Yeah, that's what even I used with. Trilokam, Tribhuvanam, Chaturyugam, cha vyapnoti.
Yes.
Okay.
Next.
It's done, Purnaji.
That was the last.
Oh.
Here some more are there. Okay. We'll see tomorrow.
Just one
Yes.
point there in the Shuddha Vakya right below. It says instead of Trilokeshu, Triloke has to be used.
Saptami they have used.
No, instead of Bahuvachanam, they are saying you should use singular. So Ashuddha Vakyam is Trilokeshu, Tribhuvaneshu, Chaturyugeshu. Instead, Triloke, Tribhuvane, Chaturyuge. I thought a couple of sentences back we had done Bahuvachanam.
Here, today?
Today I thought.
No, in Dvigu Samasa, it is always Ekavachanam. I don't remember.
Okay. Thank you.
Upendraji has done just before, just last one only. Ishwaraha Triloke Tribhuvane Chaturyuge cha vyapnoti.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.